Hey guys, we are back at Go Service. We've got something really exciting to do today with the FT2R. Welcome to the next vlog where we are modifying the FT2R a little bit more. And this time we are going to chase a little bit more power. How? Come on in and we'll show you. We've just got the exhaust back from Johnny at PR Fabrications. It's a custom 3-inch catback exhaust, and we're gonna match it up to our Fujitsubo Super EX momentum. So hopefully that will provide another about 5 to 10 kilowatts more when the car gets tuned. Right now we're going to go through the process of installing it with Frans from Go Service.
Morning guys, my name is Frans. I'm from Go Service. Work along Go Garage and Go Parts. As you may know, maybe Jerry, Mark and Albert. Here we have Go Garage Civic Type 1. So FP2, it's their race car, or you can say their weekender. Today we are going to install a Fujitsubo EX with a custom 3-inch exhaust from Johnny at PLFed. We are hoping to make some improvements, some gains, but we shall see what happens there.
What are we getting started with now?
Pulling the front windscreen cowl and the wiper assembly is to gain access on the top bolts of the manifold, because underneath you really can't get any access, it's too tight. This is how much space we have to play around with. You point the camera inside, and on the top here you really don't have much space.
So what's going to be the hardest part about this job for today?
The hardest part obviously be avoiding snagging bulbs. Yes. That is the reality of these imported cars. It's probably been sitting outside in Japan for a while, things get rusted, and the chances of me snapping up bolt today is quite high, but I do try to avoid it because it's going to be a pain in the ass to repair them.
Since you said it happens quite a bit, almost
Happens quite a bit, and I just happen to snap my extension.
So what are we doing now?
You should off. I'm gonna somehow work my way. Spraying the rubber hangers so it's easier when you pull off. We good? If you can see here, if you put your camera here, you can see what I'm dealing with. I don't want to fucking pull the bloody cross member down. Just pull the headers down. You see, boys, guys, girls, this is what Jerry has to make me do every fucking time. Easy, just blow on, blow off, no worries. You know, if the Japanese can do it, why can't you, right? Yeah, fucking let the cunt do it. What shits me the most? I asked Jerry to do this while everything was off before. This was last year. And then, no, she'll be alright, you know? Don't need headers, don't need exhaust. Man, look at where we are now.
So you want to tell us a bit more about this car?
This car is a great car if you know how to drive a car. Everyone can drive a fast car, but not everyone can be a fast driver. Well, this is one of those cars that will put you onto your test. It will test you. How far can you go with how big your balls are? You know, you can go Eastern Creek, SMSP, turn 1. On an M3 you can do 200 k's an hour, no worries. You feel safe, you feel on rails. You do 200 k's in this on turn 1, you're fucking testing your balls. But it's a driver's car. Oh jeez. Aha! Got it! Fuck you, Jerry.
What the fuck? I didn't do shit. What the hell? I didn't do shit. I was upstairs.
Alright. Ladies and gents, so this is what we have. We got a Fujitsubo EX, which was sourced from Go Parts, I believe. Look at that. And the difference between Japanese quality is this. Look at that. The welding is just immaculate. And not many exhaust manufacturers supply you new gaskets, new bolts. and even a heat wrap. I'm always a big fan of Fujitsubo because the quality never disappoints. So we have a heat shield here, heat wrap, and some wires. It gives you an instruction to heat wrap the power steering lines, I should say. So that's the rack there, that's the low pressure and the high pressure there. Comes with stickers.
And putting the stickers on.
Yeah, I'll let Jerry do that. Probably stick it on his forehead. This exhaust system here is actually a full 3-inch cap back. These mufflers, I believe, were manufactured by our local supplier. It's called SB Mufflers. Great guys. Phenomenal quality of workmanship. I'm going to show you guys comparison. Here you go. Size different. So this one here on the left, so OEM. Asian size. This one, big boy size. What does big mean? More power. More power, right? That's what we were hoping for, fingers crossed. But obviously the downside of it being a 3-inch, bloody loud. So that's why we got these guys, the SB muffler guys, to make us a big boy resonator.
Pretty freaking excited. Okay, so we have noted that there is some rest in the system, and we're looking and checking if we can install an even bigger muffler, so we can have even the tone out. Sounds great, but maybe you can get the cannon to be a little bit bigger and change the tone a little bit to a bit more deeper. You reckon, Frans?
No, the bass is good bass. It's just the raspiness. So there's not enough resonator to resonate the gases. That's where the raspiness is from. It's from the frequency of the gas coming out of the exhaust. But overall the fitment's pretty good.
No dramas with installing the headers and
Yeah, there are a few drummers. One of them is you, and the second one is you. No dramas. It's all pretty smooth sailing. Johnny did a really good job.
Yeah, the welds are like perfect on these.
Yes.
What do you think of the headers?
Looks nice. I don't know how it performs. I'm sure it'll make some sort of improvement. It is much lighter than the OEM one. So you have some weight saving there, and you definitely have better flow. It's not really restricted from what I can see. You can go with Jerry, test drive a car. It's so cool.
Just get it playing for no reason at all. Just get it playing.
I didn't even say shit, I just said he was so cool, right? He wants to be like the Uncle Wires Kong from Malaysia. And this is the younger version.
Hey guys, just got back from the test drive with the new headers and the exhaust on. Honest impressions, the car feels a little bit more responsive. There's a lot more sound coming from the engine and the exhaust as well. It's quite drony. I think that's because it's a 3-inch. We are gonna look to fix it. Now, it's not optimized yet, so we're gonna have to tune the car and in the next video. So we are excited to see how much more power it will make on the dyno with the new exhaust system and the hybrid racing intake on. So make sure you like and subscribe and follow us for the next vlog for the FT2R. Friends, what do you think of the car?
Great!
Yeah, so fake. Alright, see you guys. But wait, there's more. We are going to tune the car right after the install, so keep watching and you'll find out how much power our car makes on the hub dyno. Alright, and a special guest as well. See ya. Hey guys, here we are again. We are doing another vlog on the Go Garage FT2R, and today we have the famous Adrian that tunes all the cool Hondas in Australia. He of course tunes a lot of other cars as well, but he is best known for tuning Hondas. And it's quite hard to get a hold of him, so we're very lucky that he's agreed to tune our car and be on camera at the same time. How are you, Adrian?
Yeah, good luck.
So could you tell us a little bit more about tuning FT2Rs? What's your experience?
Goes back a way, so they first came out. I guess you want to know what to do to them rather than what I've done to them. Well, yours is not far from stock, so it'll go all right, but it definitely pay off to put some cams in it, valve springs, let it rev. If you're going to rev it more, you definitely want to change the piston and rod.
Oh, yeah. What the common issues do you normally find with the FT2R, from factory when you put a Honda on it?
The standard ones, when they come here, they ping.
They ping a lot.
Yeah.
Is it because of our fuel
it's just the fuel
standard?
type, yeah.
Yeah, our fuel type. And
The timing's just too aggressive in the standard.
too aggressive. What are the mods you recommend to get the most power out of this car other than the cams?
Yeah, there's a bit of power in the exhaust. The standard headers are not too bad, but there's a couple of Japanese brands that work pretty good.
Yeah.
You'll get power there. Opening up the exhaust will help. If it's a track car, you can get rid of the cat, but not on the road. Your intake is pretty restrictive. They pay off with a long intake. So you'll pick up a lot of mid-range torque with a longer intake. The airspeed picks up.
But now we'll get right to the tuning, I guess.
Yeah.
Let's go. So Adrian, we got a max power output of 161 kilowatts.
Yep.
Yep. But you were saying something about the dyno being such big dyno.
Oh, yeah, it's a 3,000 horsepower hub dyno. If we put it on a rolling road, it'd probably read higher.
Oh, wow. So it might actually read higher on a different rolling dyno.
Yeah, but I mean, numbers don't mean shit.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
How did the K28 perform? Do you reckon this is one of the better engines you've done?
Yeah, it's about right for FT2R. It's on the money.
And some of the money. It's due to the RRC on this car.
Yeah, well, it is an RRC engine. You can improve it with cams, increasing the compression.
I see. What do you reckon if you go cams? How much more output do you reckon we can get?
You're only going to get another 8 to 10 kilowatts max.
Anyways, thank you again for your time.
No worries.
Adrian, it's been a pleasure
All right.
to get you tuning on our car, and we'll see you in the next video.